Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, RV Little Kitchen Cookout. Today my menu is sweet and sour chicken. That's my main ingredients. Marinated chicken and red, green pepper, garlic and onion. Chop them up like that. Preheat the oil to fry the chicken too. Just like that. Brown them. Golden brown. Now I gotta drain them and scoop them up. So good. Soft and tender. I have to leave a little bit of oil to fry the garlic and the onion to make it smells good. Mix them well. Then I add up the green and red pepper. Stir fry them for a little bit. Then I add up the chunk of pineapple, and a few minutes later I sprinkled a little bit of the sweet chili sauce. It adds flavor to it. There you go. It looks good now. Let it cook for a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes. And I add up the chicken pieces. Mix them well. Let the sauce soak in to the chicken for a few minutes. Ta-da! So looking good. The bowl of rice is waiting. Bowl of rice over and that's it. Delicious. There you go guys, it looks delicious. Chicken, sweet and sour. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.